Yes, hello there. I'm called Samuel. My name is Samuel Mugabi. As you can see, Mugabi Samuel, and from the company called Schoolpesa Limited. So, I'm going to brief you about our service called Schoolpesa. Schoolpesa is a product of Schoolpesa Limited. It's a service of Schoolpesa Limited. So, it's run by the tech team at Schoolpesa Limited, Uganda. So we are going to have a series of tutorials taking you through how Schoolpesa is. So this video is just about basically what we shall be doing within this tutorial series. So I'm Samuel, and so in tutorial 1 we shall be covering just what is Schoolpesa and basics of Schoolpesa, the advantages of Schoolpesa, and why we are unique. Then in tutorial 2 we shall be covering how to access Schoolpesa. Then in tutorial 3 we shall be covering the Schoolpesa modules and their uses. Before I go further, Schoolpesa is our system that is used to print new curriculum reports. So the schools can get the system, they can acquire it, and then they can use it to print new curriculum reports for all students in lower secondary for now. So let me go ahead. So tutorial 4 will be about the Schoolpesa defined system data. So these are the data types that come with the system. For example, the competences, the topics, the subjects and subject groups. Then tutorial 5 will be, I'll be teaching you how to add a student to the Schoolpesa system. Then tutorial 6 I'll be teaching you how to add a staff. Then okay, sorry about that. So tutorial 7 I'll be teaching you how to allocate. So you've added the stuff, so tutorial 7 we shall be allocating the password to that stuff that you've added. I will teach you how to do that. Then tutorial 8 I'm going to teach you how to assign a subject to that teacher in case their staff is a teacher. So if you assign a subject to the teacher, it means the teacher can only add marks for that subject. We have that user restrictions. Then tutorial 9 is basically how the teacher is going to access the web portal, their web portal or web panel. Let me correct this. It is how they will access the website or web portal, and they, after accessing, then they can change the password. So tutorial 10 I'll be teaching you how the teacher will change the password after they have logged in. They will log in using their phone numbers and password. Phone number and pin or password. You can use anything you want. So tutorial 11 I'll be teaching you how your teachers will add marks to the students that have been assigned to them. Then tutorial 12 I'll be teaching you how teachers can add subject remarks. Subject remarks, so for example, these will be on the subject. Maybe you can comment like excellent, very well done. Then also the generic skills of the subject. So you can give a comment. So the report section has that comment. So those are subject remarks. So tutorial 13 will be how the headmaster and all director of studies or class teacher add the comments to the students. I'll teach you how to do that. Then tutorial 9 I'm going to teach, tutorial 14 I'm going to teach you how the admin can generate reports. So we have 3 types of reports, and I'm going to be teaching you how all of them are generated. The first will be the student reports. The second will be the subject performance report. This one, the one needed by, we can say this one contains the marks needed by UNEB. It may be UNEB mark sheet, we can call it a UNEB mark sheet. and the class performance report. I'll be going into details further. Thank you. Looking forward. Please, waiting for you in the next tutorial. In the next tutorial, I'm going to cover basically this. That will be our tutorial 1. Thank you and bye.